So for part two, we have something from Crutchfield for the car. So one of the things that went out on the car was the speakers and the sub. So we have freshly ordered parts from Rockford Fosgate, ordered from Crutchfield. So we got two speakers right here, another two right here, and then of course we got a 10-inch subwoofer right here to replace the factory Bose audio system. So in total it cost me about $245 from Crutchfield, including, you know, everything. And tomorrow we're gonna install in the CTS. Switching to my phone for this because it's dark out. So off camera, my dad and I, we put the new speakers into the black door cards over there. My dad's working on it. So I went with Rockford Fosgate speakers and sub for my car compared to the factory Bose. I felt like, you know, it was time to get something new. The speakers and the sub were 15 years old. It was rattling. It was not sounding great anymore. It actually made a very bad rattle whenever I hit bass, my subwoofer. So it was time for me to go and just get a new setup. I personally went with Rockford Fosgate because my mother has a Polaris Slingshot. She had Rockford Fosgate speakers in them. They sounded great. So I was like, you know what? Why not throw them in the Cadillac? So basically, this is how my sub looked. It's just, yeah, there's nothing left. That's why it rattles so hard. So my dad basically took off this piece. It'll be replaced. The Rockford Fosgate 10-inch sub will be replacing it. I'll be sure to leave the link to all the stuff that I bought in this video, including the door panels. Door panels, I got them off of a junkyard, so I mean, that's kind of your own thing. They're nice and black. Hopefully, you know, it'll actually make the interior look way nicer as a two-tone compared to the standard tan that it had in the first place. So picture up on screen is going to be how the old one looked like, and this is how the new one looks like. It looks amazing for something I didn't spend, I mean, not a lot of money on. In all, for the door speakers and the sub, it was $245. I didn't bother with the tweeters. I didn't bother with the center dash speaker. I didn't really care about that because I'm pretty sure it was mainly the sub that was blown, and I just wanted better speakers as a whole. If it, you know, when it comes down the line, you know, maybe I'll buy new tweeters and a new center dash speaker, but you know, that will be saved for the future. Basically, my dad is doing all the wiring work because I am inexperienced and I don't know how to do that crap. So this is basically where it came out of. And yeah, it's just awful how this one was. It's literally broken on the corner. Like, I could literally peel it back. There's nothing supporting this. This is a factory Bose unit, by the way. This is just 15 years of abuse. So I'm hoping the Rockfords actually, you know, put it up to the test. They handle it well. They perform well for me. I'm pretty sure I have a year warranty, so if anything goes wrong, you know, I can always just hopefully get it warranted. You know, this is my first time working with Crutchfield, so like first time, like I'm literally first time Crutchfield customer, so I'm hoping, you know, everything goes right. My dad is dropping in the sub right now, looking very nice. It's a 10-inch, so it should fit in nicely. If not, you know, maybe bulge slightly out. So one of the issues that we had already, it was fitment with the subwoofer. So basically we're just gonna cut this section out just a little bit wider. We're basically gonna remove this, I'm assuming we're gonna basically remove this lip that's around there so the sub actually fits properly and it can fit into the OEM bolts. So my dad is gonna be doing this because I don't know. I'm scared to do this stuff. But already,
Move that speaker out of the way.
yep. But already, you have the black door cards in the back compared to the front. The black ones look way nicer. All right, so we just cut out that ring. That was a very, I don't know how to describe it. It's a very tight spot just to remove a simple ring just like this. But the angle grinder did it. It's not the prettiest look, but you know, it's gonna work for the sub now. Wow, perfect, perfect. Look at that. That fits just like how the factory Bose unit works. And it now fits. We actually cut off more than what we actually needed.
I know.
But look at that. So now here it is, all set in. It looks great. So we're gonna be throwing on the factory cover for it, just so it doesn't potentially damage any electronics in the meantime. We're gonna eventually redo it, maybe as like a little side project, a little side video. But yeah, just look at it. Looks amazing. Thank you, my dad, for making it fit. I don't know how the hell I was gonna be able to make it fit properly if it wasn't for him cutting that hole and doing everything. So just looks amazing. So we're gonna swap out this trim piece right here. I have a black one in my garage. So we're just gonna pull it out. My dad's pulling the door card out, the other one out of the front driver's side door. So now it's all about disconnecting this and then popping a new one in. All right, so here's the old one and here's the new one. This one was pulled off a 2005 CTS with the black interior. I just had to clean it up before I install this one. This one comes with the port and everything. So let's clean it up and let's get it in. All right, so here's the new piece. And we're just gonna, all we have to do is plug this one in to the correct port over here, and it'll go right in, and then it will all clip in. And it should honestly create a nice little contrast in the back, besides these. All right, so we got that in. Now it's all a matter of lining it up and basically just pushing in these clips. 1 second, please. There we go. Anybody, you know, feel like BMW vibes from this with the contrast between the tan and the black? I don't know. That may be just me. And for a side-by-side comparison, here's the new Rockford Fosgate speaker versus the factory Bose system. It looks very discolored. I doubt that came like that from factory, but look at the nice little black that this has. Oh yeah, so I'm pretty sure I said it last night. This is a speaker. It's the Rockford Fosgate Prime R1525X2. It's inexpensive. I think I spent for everything, including the sub and these and 3 other of these besides this one, it was 245 bucks. Great bargain price in my opinion. They were on sale at Crutchfield, but I don't know if they're still on sale or not, but still definitely good for the bargain price. All right, we got the new door cover right here. It's dirty, so I guess during the weekend I'm gonna have to go and just clean it up myself, which I don't mind. But it looks great compared to the tan one. The tan one has endured 15 years of Florida, including, you know, some other stuff. So this material right here was sagging already in some spots. This one, way better shape. It all just looks better. This one is just dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it up off camera during the weekend probably. or I'll just make a video out of it. I'm not sure, but we got the speaker in. Looks great. We're trying to get the other one out right now. My dad's doing that. It all should look great. I'll probably change out the trim pieces myself once it's supposed to rain. So we're trying to wrap it up before, you know, it starts pouring on us. All right, so this is how it looks like, final product, except for, you know, just have to clean this and all that. All 4 door panels have it. So we're gonna take this part out real quick. There's some overspray on it, but it's not hard to do. Basically, you just take these clips out and it just pops out. Some overspray on it, but it's all right. We're gonna swap it in. We're gonna swap in this black one just to make the two-tone look, you know, even better. And I just wiped it off, so it's just drying and all that. And let's pop it in. So again, it's just 3 clips right here. And look at that. Let's compare it to the driver's side. Driver's side looks like this. It's very simple. Again, just pop these out. Simple. Fuck this one. Again, right here. Clip, clip. This needs to clip in, but yeah. Looks great in my opinion. Of course, this is gonna clash, but this is gonna be swapped out in a future episode or video. But wow, looks great. All right, everybody, this is the end of part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this little project I've been doing with the Cadillac. You know, it wasn't that expensive to, you know, get the parts and all that, but, you know, it does take a little bit of time to get it done. And of course, you know, make these kind of videos, especially when I want to show you guys, you know, what my dad and I do, or just me sometimes do to the car. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment on the video about what should I do next, or just any comment in general. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm KSL. Peace out, everybody.